Yo, what's up, credit repair business owners and hustlers? This is the exact video that I'm going to show you how we build the systems, how we build the teams to automate content distribution, client communication in your credit repair business. So guys, watch this video because we're also going to show how to schedule up sales calls consistently, like on demand, by leveraging Facebook groups and of course content distribution, people who are engaging and attracting more clients to you. What this is really going to allow you to do, the content distribution, is going to allow you to brand yourself as an expert in your field and ultimately just attract the clients that you want and be able to demand the pricing that you also want. Guys, it's not that difficult to reach out to me. I want to make you more money. God bless. First thing we need to do is, like I said, we have around 120, 130 people on here. What we need to do is just do a rapid cash injection. So what we want to do is we want to reach out to all the people on here and just book them in for appointments. For Bradick over here, this guy Brad, Rick over here, view profile over here. What we want to do is, hey, post something on one of his recent posts just to kind of grab his attention, show you a real person. Hey, I don't know, America, fuck yeah, I don't know, awesome. Post, thanks for sharing.
Okay.
Whatever. BTW. I sent you over a message. Kindly check requests. Okay. I'm not going to send it yet because we haven't sent it yet. But like, this is what we want. So I'm going to put in the chat over here and I'll put together a little SOP in a second. Wait, we go to Discord over here. So for group hustling appointment setting. Oops. So step one comment. Keep it simple.
I'll create a list. I'll create a list that I already know some people, they don't need credit repair on that in that group. I'll put a quick list together.
Okay, perfect. Whatever. Awesome the post. Thanks for sharing. Step two, friend them. And step three, very easy, DM them. Perfect. And we already have a script over here. So this is the script that we were thinking. Hey, X as just their name. Hey, John, thanks for joining the group. The content that you put out on X, the content that you put out about America looks amazing. This guy just said, God bless America. The content that you put out about America is amazing. I love America too. It's the land of the free, whatever. Might I ask what I caught your interest, like as in joining the Facebook group? Wait for the response. Then you're going to be like, great. Are you looking to scale your current business or are you trying to start something fresh? Trying to start something new? They're going to be like, I'm trying to start something new or I'm trying to do whatever, blah, blah, blah. I usually prefer to kind of repeat back his answer, repeat back their answer because it kind of shows that you're actually listening to what they're saying. So if they say over here, I'm trying to start this new business about, I don't know, whatever. I'm trying to start this new business on X. Great to see that you are starting this new business, whatever. We have scaled multiple of those type of businesses to 6 and 7 figures. How about we hop on a quick call? I'll show you how we did it to another company, and either you can try it out yourself, or we can or we can help you out. Are you free tomorrow at X? So pretty much, two things that are important on here is that we repeat back what they said to us, so that we ensure that we can kind of relate to them, that they understand that we actually listen to them, and then we try to say that a specific time that we're available. So we're going to give you access to our Go High level as well, too, so you can see his calendar. But you're pretty much saying, hey, are you free tomorrow at 3, based upon what you already see on his calendar. Okay?
Okay.
Does that kind of make sense so far? Try to keep it simple.
Yes.
So
definitely.
Do you mind just repeating back what we just said, just so we can kind of know?
Okay. First of all, you want me to go to the group through the members, engaging with them into their profiles through comments, and then you want me to book the appointments with them. For that, step 1, we will be engaging through the comments. Step 2, we will be friending them. Step 3, we will DM them through the script that you just showed me. And I will go through the script, but I think sometimes I would need to improvise, but that would be okay because I have previous experience at this.
Beautiful. Awesome. Rockstar. Awesome. Another thing too, when you were saying engaging too, you brought up a great idea that I forgot to mention as well too. So when Theodore over here is just doing his average normal thing, posting on here, do you mind also going into here and be like, I love this post. Helped me so much. You know? So what I'm trying to say is just have genuine compliments or genuine just engagement on his posts, through all of these. Check this one
Okay.
out too. This guy responded to it. So anybody that comments on it, let's also respond to it. You're like, thanks for sharing. You're correct. You're absolutely right. Because this guy's also trying to give advice based upon kind of piggybacking off what Theodore's saying. How fixes Theodore determine your presentation and underway. Thanks for sharing. You're absolutely right. Boom, boom, boom. Genuine just engagement. Takes a lot of patience when you're starting a business. There are definitely ups and downs. Oh, OMG. It's like a roller coaster ride, but always worth it. You know what I mean? So just genuine engagement to these people. The goal for that is really to just get more
Okay.
engagement on here, to get more people to comment, you know? So every post, make sure you like every post. If you see someone that's not engaging a lot, maybe tag them at, I don't know,
Okay.
I don't know. Pretend like this is a random person. Hey, have you seen this post? I think it would help a lot. You know what I mean? So we're just trying to get
Yeah,
engagement, trying to get
definitely.
people on here to just hop back onto the group, re-engage and things like that. Because ultimately the more people that really sees his
Okay.
content, the more that recognizes the content, more they're gonna trust him, the more that they're gonna want to hop on a call with him, the more they're gonna ultimately just want to freaking just spend money with Theodore here. So we just
Yeah.
want to just reactivate all these leads. Maybe once a day, go through these leads, find two
Okay.
people that haven't commented in a very long time, and just be like, hey, so and so, have you checked out this post recently? You know what I mean? So
Yeah, definitely.
So we have a couple of things that we're doing. So this is kind of like appointment setting. Objective. Objective number one is appointment setting. And that's just directly just messaging everybody.
Okay.
Objective two, drive group drive group engagement. One, make sure every comment is answered. Try to get like 4 words plus in the comments.
Okay.
Step two, if you see someone that hasn't engaged in a while, and there's probably a lot of them, so you can probably just reach out to start everybody. Because right now, his average posts are getting seen by like 20 people right now. That one had like 50 people, so that's a lot better.
Okay.
So there's 122 people that aren't seeing stuff. There's 100 people that on average aren't seeing his posts. So just people that haven't engaged in a while, specifically tag them on posts and say, hey, X, I believe this will help you a lot on X. So if he's talking about like branding or content or funding or credit, whatever it is, hey, John, I believe this will help you a lot with your credit score. Hey, John, I believe this will help you a lot with getting you funded. Hey, John, I believe this will help you a lot with whatever it might be. Just genuine engagement. And then the last thing
Okay.
I want to do as well too is this will help Theodore a whole lot in terms of just content creation and what people are willing to pay for. Scroll down here. See, this is seen by 6 people, 7 people. This was seen by 46 people. So there's a big difference between this and this. I mean, yeah, this is 2 days ago, so that might not count too much. Wait, let me scroll down a little bit more. So, all right, so this was 2 days ago, and this was 2 days ago. 2 days ago. So this one was seen by 47 and 4 comments. This was seen by 27 but 10 comments, which is great. It drives engagement. But there's something in here that's maybe this has more comments than this one for a reason. This is seen by 47 people. This is only seen by 27 people. So when you're going through these comments, when you're going through these descriptions, I kind of want you to just look at what he's typing. Look at what he's typing here. This one has hashtags. This one doesn't have hashtags. This one has 8 replies over here. This one doesn't have 8 replies over here. I want you to kind of go through it and give Theodore reality and ego aside. We're both big guys here. We could talk to each other. You could be completely honest with us. But step three, tell us what's working. You know what I mean? So you might have been like, hey, Theodore, I realized on your recent post you didn't put hashtags. So you'd be like, hey, at T, this recent post doesn't have a lot of engagement. Whatever. I believe
Okay.
it's because it doesn't have hashtags. Have hashtags.
Okay.
You know what I mean? So what I would like
Yeah.
you to do is to just as real as you can be, as confident as you possibly can be,